So this is the universal mount for the Velo 2. It's exactly the same as the one that you get included with every device that you buy. In the packet you get the mount itself with its rubber bar protector and 2 different sizes of silicone bands. And so I'm going to show you now how you can install it on your bike. You can see on the mount itself there are 2 hooks that you can snap the bands into place, and this will stop them from flying away when you take it on and off your bike. So just pull those into place, and then you're going to wrap them around either your stem or your handlebar and just attach onto the little hooks on the other side. You can do this any way you want, but I tend to find that doing it crossways keeps it nice and secure. And one of the cool things about this mount is you can install it either way round and it will still work with the device. So you don't need to worry about getting it the right way round. And that's it, it's as simple as that.